the 83rd Senior National Table Tennis Championship that is organized by the Meghalaya Table Tennis Association with the support of the Government of Meghalaya began yesterday, the 18th of April 2022, with a record number of participants. The championship is being held at the Sports Authority of India Training Centre, NEHU, Shillong. During the championship that will conclude on the 25th of this month, there are altogether 38 men's teams and 35 women's teams with more than 450 paddlers. At yesterday's inaugural ceremony, a minute's silence was observed for Deenadayalan Viswa, a paddler from Tamil Nadu, who died tragically in a car accident while travelling to Shillong from Guwahati airport on the 17th of April. On behalf of the Government of Meghalaya, the guest of honour, Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs, Bante Dorlingdo, had read out a condolence message for Vishwa's family. In his speech, Bante Dorlingdo said that the state government is happy to support the championship, which is one of the 3 mega events planned for 2022, the other 2 being the Meghalaya Games in the month of May and the Northeast Olympics in the months of October, November this year.
And also, I would like to inform all of us we are here. The government of Meghalaya, for the last 3.5 years, 4 years, we are very much, we want to promote sports in our state. That's why this championship was held here. Actually, this championship was supposed to help before last 3-4 months back. But because all we know that the pandemic has disturbed us, affect us, that's why we are conducting today. Friends, I would like to inform you also, the Meghalaya government will be organized again from the sports department for the Meghalaya game again, which we organized. We had a Meghalaya game in 2018-19, but again we'll be having a Meghalaya game by the end of this month, on the month of May. At the same time also, we are going to organize the Northeast Olympics before the end of this year, October and November of this year. So that, thank you, so that we can see the promoting and motivate, encourage our youth to excel in sport fraternity.
Speaking on the occasion, the chief guest at the event and also Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Bante Dorlingdo, said that he was happy to see the teams from other states travelling to Shillong to participate in the championship. He also informed that Meghalaya's success in hosting other events has encouraged the Table Tennis Federation of India to grant this championship to the state. Bante Dorlingdo also gave due credit to the Minister in charge of Sports and Youth Affairs, Bante Dorlingdo, and to the MTTA and others for hosting the mega event.
I am informed that so far the Table Tennis Association has organized 2 national level, as I have said just now, and they have also organized 2 international level table tennis also in Shillong, by ensuring maximum participation. I believe that it was the success conduct of these past tournaments which prompted the Table Tennis Association of India to entrust the conduct of this tournament with the state association. I am really proud to see that again, the Honourable Minister for Sports and Youth Affairs and his department are gearing up the different activities and has really performed to the mark where the all India level, different associations has seen that these success stories of different tournaments have really put faith on them to entrust such kind of tournaments. There may be very talented players in villages, in the rural areas, but financial difficulties, lack of awareness, or absence of good training, or a platform where they can display their talent may be preventing them from coming forward to play for this game. However, with such events happening in the state, it will be encouraged that the district sports association in our states has to put on efforts to reach to the rural youth. I'm sure that most of the participants here who are in this hall today comes or hails from the rural areas of your respective states. I'm very sure about it. So therefore, the platform where we have to open up in the rural areas is the need of the hour for all of us. I request the state government, to the Honourable Minister, to stress on how we open up the door for the rural youth. I also welcome all the participants of this tournament and wish all of them success.
Others who were present during the inaugural ceremony included Director of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Meghalaya, Wanri Booth, Meghalaya State Olympic Association Working President John F. Karchiyeng, MSOA General Secretary Finley Parriott, amongst others.